During this 5-day program, we will explore a series of basic techniques to help you become familiar with the idea of meditation, how to practice it, learn about its benefits, and gradually develop the habit of meditating so that you can live a happier and healthier life. Let's go over a couple of tips that will help make your experience simple and enjoyable. First, we need to choose a place to practice our meditation where we won't be disturbed for at least 5 to 10 minutes. Any place works just fine, but it may be a good idea to begin in a place that is quiet and private so that you feel comfortable and at ease. Following a steady schedule is also a great way to ensure progress and positive results. So try to practice your meditation every day at the same time. Most experts on meditation highly recommend doing it in the morning because it helps you set the mood and begin your day with a clear and calm mindset. However, you can practice it at any time during the day as long as you try to do it as often as possible at the same time and same place. Make sure you come with an open mind and with no expectations. After all, we are learning something new, and we learn better when we have a positive attitude toward the subject we are learning. Meditation is very personal, and it works differently for every person. One day it might be quite easy for you to follow the practices, and another day it may be difficult, or you may find that your mind is all over the place. That's okay. The more you practice, the more you will find what works best for you, and the easier it will become for you to develop your own habit of meditation. Finally, find a comfortable position to practice your meditation. While there are many postures in which we can meditate, it may be a good idea to begin your practice by sitting comfortably on a chair with a straight back. Place your feet parallel to each other, no wider than your hips, flat and steady on the ground. Ensure your back is straight and tall. However, if you need support, you can add a cushion on your lower back. The idea is that you are as comfortable as possible while at the same time keeping your back straight and tall. Rest your hands comfortably on your lap by placing them palms down on your knees or thighs, or by resting them on your lap with your fingers intertwined or with one palm on top of the other. Keeping your hands open instinctively creates a sense of openness and relaxation. Relax your jaw, making sure your lower teeth are not pressing against your upper teeth, and place your tongue at the base of your mouth. Keep your eyesight straight ahead without bending your head forward or back. As we get ready to begin, make sure both nostrils are not blocked and that you can breathe freely without any obstruction. At your own pace, take a long, deep breath through your nose and exhale through your mouth, making your breathing as long and gentle as is comfortable for you while keeping your eyes open. During your next exhalation, close your eyes, but continue to gently inhale through the nose and exhale slowly through the mouth. During your next inhalation, see if you can consciously expand your belly as big as is comfortable for you, but without forcing it. Then, during the exhalation, make sure you don't compress your belly, but try to let it relax by releasing all control over it. One more time during your next inhalation, see if you can consciously expand both your belly and your chest as if you are filling every corner of your lungs with air. Then, during the exhalation, gently let the air out, but avoid compressing your body. Instead, let it relax. Breathe in and expand. Breathe out and relax. At your own pace, allow your breath to return to its normal pace, breathing in and out through the nose. Meditation is about learning to tame your mind. By using simple focusing practices like paying attention to your breathing, you can slowly and with practice learn to control your thoughts and, as a consequence, achieve calmness in your life. Slowly and at your own pace, bring your attention back into the room. Gently move your feet up and down like pushing on a pedal. Slowly close and open your hands, and at your own pace, gently open your eyes. As you go about your day, if at any moment you feel that your focus is constantly shifting and losing control, take a 5-minute pause, focus again on your breathing, and then go back to your ongoing tasks. You'll notice that it is easier to concentrate. Congratulations on completing the first day of the introductory path to meditation. Have a good day, and we'll see you here tomorrow.